most common and most stupid thing everyone is concerned about is how to build self confidence. My dear friends, this thing is being taught you since your childhood. When you are in class 1, that time you have been told to practice few letters so that you could make them or give shape them properly. When you start doing something again and again, you learn how to do it properly. I just given you example of your childhood. You might be having some cursive writing book to improve your handwriting. The same way in your life, if you want to build self-confidence, you need to brush up yourself. Whatever you are learning, you need to learn it to an extent. Nowadays, mostly what is the problem of people is they want to jump into anything and they want that thing to be perfect by them. वो सारी चीजें वो करना चाहते हैं जो उन्हें नहीं आता है और वो चाहते हैं कि वो चीज परफेक्ट हो. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. किसी भी तैयारी के बगैर कोई भी चीज परफेक्ट नहीं होती है. कोई भी चीज सीखे बगैर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो ही नहीं सकते. इफ यू वांट टू बी सेल्फ if you want to develop your self confidence, you need to focus on the work which you are doing. Do some research, practice that, rehearse it, correct yourself. You will be very confident. It is as simple as that. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस मतलब खुद के लिए तो कुछ देखो, आप खुद पे तैयारी तो करो. आपको साइकिल चलाना सीखनी है, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि शुरू से ही सीख जाओगे या उसकी ABCD पढ़ के सीख लोगे या बाइसिकल के पार्ट्स जान के सीख लोगे. यू नीड टू ट्राई हाउ टू ड्राइव. सारी चीज में सेम फॉर्मूला है, सारा फंडा क्लियर है. आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर टीचर्स, आवर मेंटर्स आर टीचिंग दिस फॉर्मूला सिंस बिगिनिंग एंड वी आर टेकिंग ऑल दिस प्रोसेस एज ग्रांटेड. क्या है, बोरिंग प्रोसेस है, वी कांट रिपीट एवरीथिंग अगेन, बट यू नीड टू रिपीट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इफ यू want to build self confidence. It is as simple as that. Self confidence is nothing but just mastering in something. When someone has mastered in something, he know how to do it properly, correctly and accurately. No one is 100% accurate, but though it is all about increasing in percentage day by day. If suppose you want to learn swimming, you're not going to swim perfectly like a professional within a day or two. It will take time. पहले आप कुछ दिन डूबोगे स्विमिंग पूल में, उसके बाद स्विमिंग सीख जाओगे. लेकिन अगर आप स्विमिंग पूल के बाहर खड़े होके उसकी गहराई, उसकी लंबाई नापोगे, उससे नहीं होना. You need to jump into the swimming pool. You need to learn about something from the expert who has done swimming before you. The process is being taught you right since beginning, but you are not taking it seriously. For everything, for every learning, the process is same, but we need to rewind everything what we have learned. जो हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है उसको सीखो, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो लाइफ में. यू विल बिकम द मोस्ट talented, the most confident person in your life.